many delicious foods.
What are you two playing? It looks like so much fun.
We're running a restaurant!
I know a place you're gonna love.
Whoa! Whoa! This place is amazing! I'm a waiter. I'm a chef. Ta-da! The cardboard restaurant is now open. Welcome to the cardboard restaurant. What would you like to order?
Let me see. Ooh, I'd like a sweet strawberry pancake, please.
One strawberry pancake. You got it. One strawberry pancake. You got it. Flour, milk, eggs, honey. Uh-oh, we're out of strawberries. Is the strawberry pancake ready? We don't have any strawberries. Aha, I've got an idea. Yes! Sweet strawberry pancake is ready. Wow! Wow, Mommy, this is so yummy!
This pancake is delicious.
Welcome to the cardboard restaurant. What would you like to order?
Oh, I want this one.
Okay, just a moment. One deluxe burger. Leave it to me. Deluxe burger is ready. Here's your burger. Enjoy.
Whoa!
Hot, hot, hot!
What's wrong?
It's so spicy!
So spicy! Oh, this burger's really spicy.
You had ordered the extra spicy burger. I'll make you a non-spicy one. Just a moment.
Oh, so yummy!
Yay! Welcome. We want pizza. Okay. One pizza. You got it. Pizza is ready. Yummy pizza is here. That was too small. We're still hungry. Ah, then let's make a giant pizza. I'll help you. I need this.
that's a huge pizza!
Mmm. Thank you! That was so yummy! Now we're all full! Yay! Cardboard Restaurant rocks!